What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name's Travis. Today on an episode of Pack Attack, we have Unbroken Bonds from the Sun and Moon series. Let's get right to it and right through it. Unbroken Bonds. There is a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a Psychic Energy, a Lairon, a Gliscor, Triple Acceleration Energy, a Doduo, a Poliwag, a Spritzy, a Lickitung, a Venonat, Reverse Hollow Victory Bell, and very nice, 2 in a row, got a streak going again, a D-Nay GX. Very nice, very nice, very happy, and we will see you on the next one.